All right, welcome back. Talking about increasing and decreasing functions now. So think about a little man walking from left to right, just like you read a book, left to right. If he's going downhill, that's called decreasing. If he's walking uphill, that's increasing. And if he is staying flat, then that is constant. So where does this graph fall? When we talk about where it falls or rises, we are always talking about the x values. The x is the independent variable in a function, so except for range, we always care about the x value because since it's the independent variable, the dependent's going to depend on it, obviously. So we can just state the x values. We don't need the y values. The only time we need those is for the range. So we are falling from -1 to 1. From 1 to 5, we are remaining the same. And from 5 to 7, we are increasing. Notice I did not give any y values, only the x values of where the points are happening. So that means I would write that this function is decreasing from -1 to 1. It is increasing from 5 to 7, and it is constant from 1 to 5. So if you think you pretty much have it, go ahead and pause the video here and try it. If not, keep on watching. We're going to go through 2 more examples. To save some time, I went ahead and typed in both of my functions to Desmo, so if you want to hit pause and type them in as well, this would be a good time to do so. And the only one I have graphed right now, the purple one, is the first one. So this is what it looks like. Notice we are going uphill until we get to this point right here, downhill, and then uphill again. So those special x values happen at 0 and 2. Okay? So back to our notes. Thinking about this was at 0 and this was at 2. There was no constant. It was increasing from what we call negative infinity all the way to 0. Then it goes downhill from 0 to 2. And then it's going to start increasing again at 2 and forever. So that's to infinity. Notice I left a blank there. That's because I can join these two by a U shape that is called a union. Okay, called a union. Let's look at that last example here. Turn that one off, turn this one on. So where do these things happen? Where's that corner at? -2, -1, and -1, -1. So -2 and -1, and it went like this. So it is increasing from 1 to infinity because it's going on forever and ever and ever. It is decreasing from negative infinity up until -2. And then it is constant from -2 to -1. Okay, try your